Printing unit. Wear paper. Roll the paper through the print unit following the specified path. Install the roller. Pick a circumference equal to the bag to cut off the long plate roll. The perimeter data of the roller is on the gear of the roller. Install the upper roller accessories and lock the screws. Adjust the scraper. The scraper needs to center with the relative mesh roller. If no, please adjust the adjustment. Adjust the height of the scrape hand wheel, which can up or down the position of the scraper. Release the nuts. Push the scraper inside. The scraper shall give proper pressure to the mesh roller. Turn the hand wheel clockwise to increase the pressure or vice versa. Lock the nuts after the adjustment. Paste print. Paste the double-sided tape onto the print plate. Align the front center of the paper bag. Horizontal line on the positive alignment draw on the print version. Paste the print on the plate roll. The distance between coarse adjustment mesh roller and plate roller. Rotate the hand wheel. You can adjust the distance between the mesh roller and the plate roller. Adjust to the gear without removing teeth. Distance between rough adjustment roll and paper. Rotate the hand wheel. You can adjust the distance between the roll and the paper. Adjust to the gear without removing teeth. Inking. Put the two pipes connected to the ink storage tank into the ink tank. Turn on the diaphragm pump ink inlet switch. Adjust the air pressure knob of the diaphragm pump. The diaphragm pump starts to absorb the ink. The ink outlet pipe begins to flow out from the ink. Open the ink transport switch and the mesh roller starts to roll. Fine-tune the distance between the mesh roller and the plate roll. Slow start equipment 20 points. Rotate the hand wheel. You can adjust the distance between the mesh roller and the plate roller. Adjust to the print plate can smoothly color. The mesh roller will release imprint marks. Fine-tune the distance between the roll and the paper. Rotate the hand wheel. You can adjust the distance between the plate roll and the paper. Adjust to the plate can successfully print the color on the paper. Chromatograph. Rotate the horizontal adjustment hand wheel. Can fine-tune the horizontal position of the plate. Adjust the plate can be correctly printed to the center of the bag. Click up to move the pattern forward and click down to move the pattern back. Clean ink. Prepare a bucket filled with water with an empty bucket. Place the suction pipe into the bucket and the discharge pipe into the empty bucket. After cleaning, take the ink suction pipe out of the bucket and wait for the ink pipe to stop leaving the water. Release the ink storage tank retaining block and open the ink storage tank. Clean mesh roller. Cleaning doctor. Clean the ink storage tank. Close the ink storage tank and lock the ink storage tank retaining block. Replace the scraper. Release the fixing screws of the scraper retaining plate. Open the scraper retaining plate. Take out the old scraper. Put in a new scraper. Cover with the scraper retaining plate. Tighten the fixing screws of the scraper retaining plate. Replace the sponge pad. Open the ink storage tank. Loosen the screws. Replace the sponge. Lock the screw. Close the ink storage tank.